Hey there, everybody. Coming to you live today because there has been a lot of things changing day by day, minute by minute, quite frankly, with what's been going on with the statewide lockdown, trying to determine what is and is not allowed or deemed essential. I want people to know we have now gotten official documentation that repair services, both commercial and residential, are deemed essential and approved. So we are happy that we are still going to be able to help you. If you're experiencing leaks on your home, we know that there's some rain in the forecast coming up later today. The other really exciting part about it is we've now been able to institute a touch-free inspection, selling, and installation process. So you never actually physically will interact or have to touch or allow anyone into your home or your business. This is obviously to protect you. It's to protect our team. It's really just trying to go above and beyond to make sure we are doing everything we can to take care of you. If we do come out for the repair right now, once this is all behind us, we will still come back after this is all done and do our attic inspections, things like that. But this will allow us not just to do temporary repairs, but if you're experiencing an issue, we do have the authority now from the government and the clarity that we're going to be able to help you. We are open. There's just a few of us here, and for the most part, we're actually even those of us here are working remotely from home. Again, just try and follow the rules and limit the amount of contact. But you can always call us at 586-566-0308. You can visit us on our website, www.kanga-roof.com, or you can email us hoptoit@kanga-roof.com. So again, if you're experiencing any type of leak issue, whether it's on your home or your business, just be aware we do now have official clarity from the government that this is deemed an essential service because we're protecting your home, we're protecting your business from greater damage and ensuring it's a livable, workable condition. So please feel free, reach out to us. Our guys are ready to help. And again, we now have a completely touchless or touch-free investigation process. Thanks so very much, everybody.